What's going on, YouTube? Just want to share with you guys a couple things I got in the garage. Some little custom built, I guess you'd call it an alien figure. All made from nuts, screws, bolts. Look at that. Look at his hand. Washers. All TIG welded. It's pretty badass. For scale reference, I kind of got this old Predator right here. Hot Toys Predator. Yeah, it's pretty badass. I also got this other helicopter. Check this bad boy out. Same kind of deal. It's made with everyday things you can find, man. Blade moves. No sign. Check that out.
Hey,
Yeah.
babe.
Hey, babe.
But you can't.
And what you guys think, man? I think they're pretty badass. So yeah, just hanging out with the little boy outside. Just thought I'd share this with you guys. Do a little video of the Predator. Got him stepping on the skull. So yeah, there you go. A little scale wise. Get to the chopper, Billy. Get to the chopper. Yeah, you know. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, man. See some custom made boots. Look at that guy's boots. He knows how to party.